You know how this year is a leap year? Well, I've been having a look on the internet, and apparently leap years are slightly more complicated than we all think. Most people think that we just have a leap year every 4 years. Yeah, that's pretty much what happens. Yeah, it's close. Every year that is divisible by 4, there will be a leap year. So, you know, 2004, 2008, 2012. They are all leap years. But 1900 wasn't a leap year. That's divisible by 4. Neither was 1800 or 1700. What's going on? They weren't leap years, but they're all divisible by 4. And if you don't believe me, go and check it out on the internet. The 29th of February 1900 didn't exist. There was not a 29th of February in the year 1900. So, why is that, I wonder? Interesting. The reason is that there's not 365 and a quarter days exactly. It's not exactly 365 and a quarter. It's slightly different. I don't know the exact amount of days in a year, but it means that we can't just have leap years every 4 years because it doesn't add up, right? That it doesn't work like that. The rule is that we have leap years every year that's divisible by 4. However, if the year is also divisible by 100, then we don't have a leap year that year. However, the third part of that rule is if the leap year is divisible by 4 and divisible by 100 and divisible by 400, then we still have a leap year. The year 1600 was a leap year. That's divisible by 4, by 100 and by 400. So that's definitely a leap year. That works. 1700 wasn't, because that's not divisible by 400. Neither was 1800 and year 1900. So all 3 of those years were not leap years. But the year 2000 is divisible by 400, so that is a leap year. It's very confusing. It's more confusing than I thought. That means that in the year 2100, it will not be a leap year, because it's not divisible by 400, but it is divisible by 100. So that's not going to be a leap year, when it should be a leap year because it's divisible by 4, which is what we always thought. That's what I always thought anyway. But there's nothing we have to worry about, because during our lifetimes, leap years would just be every 4 years. We don't have one where we have to worry about it. So that's alright. That it doesn't matter too much. We're all good now. Just wanted to clear that up with everyone. Leap years, there you go. Sorted. The rule is that we have leap... That's divisible by 4. But the year 2000 was divisible by the year, but the year 2000 was divisible by, but there's nothing we have to worry about, because in our but the year 2000 is divisible by 4.